Welcome to CJsocks channel. Today we will talk about socks for figure skaters. Thin cotton socks are recommended. This kind of socks are breathable and soft. Custom ice skating socks are preferred over thick or heavier wool socks. And some may prefer thin microfiber ice skating socks. Thin cotton, although cotton socks are not a technical fiber. They are a great go-to socks for figure skating, much better than thick, thinner socks. Ice skating socks come in a variety of lengths, and skaters should choose the size that feels most comfortable. We are able to make different sizes and lengths. Custom ice skating socks that promote a team's colors and logo are a great way to build team spirit and get others involved. Our custom socks are come in more than 1,000 colors for your ice skating team. Any team that's serious about winning big needs to show pride through figure skater socks that move with you. While you are looking to find a new ways of manufacture figure skate socks, we have some proposals like heat printing, sublimation. Those two production techniques allow for more designs than knitting. In knitting, you can only do 6 colors, while heat printing and sublimation can use any images you like. You just need to send high quality pictures to the factory. We also often customize the holiday styles for teams, such as Easter, Christmas, New Year, etc., with the team logo, which looks very eye-catching. If you have any questions about custom socks, please feel free to contact me. I have over 18 years experience in manufacture socks and ties. Thanks for your watching.